Hi there, Kim Carter here. Did you know I'm open for commissions? I certainly am. Please check out my commission form linked below. Is there something you really want to hear me do? Would you like a personalized audio? Do you need help coming up with the script? All of these options are available to you. I look forward to working with you soon. And now, here's today's audio. Hey, there you are. So, are you ready to meet my puppy? He's so fluffy. Ace, say hi. I know, he's so cute. I love him so much already. Feel how soft his ears are? I'm sorry, I must sound so ridiculous right now. You think it's cute? Well, thank you. You're pretty cute too. I mean, not as cute as a brand new puppy, but that's a pretty high bar. So, are you ready to go? This will be his first hike. Yeah, the trail map's over there. Oh my god, he's holding my hand. Just took it like it was nothing. Why do I feel so giddy about this? Settle down, don't make it weird, and don't come on too strong. Yeah, that one looks good. Not too difficult, just a nice, easy path with a pretty view. Let's go. Yeah, I'm still working on potty training with him at home. Puppy pads everywhere, I'm telling you. At least I don't need to worry about that out here. Well, so long as he doesn't try to do anything on your shoes. No, I will make sure to protect you from any puppy accidents. He's been pretty good at night. I'm training him to sleep in his crate. First couple nights were rough, but we're getting into a rhythm now. I'm sorry, I don't want to take up all our time talking about Ace. Yes, I know he's new, but I came because I wanted to spend time with you. Oh my god, he's blushing! That made him blush! Okay, calm down, calm down. So, how have you been? Oh, that's great! I'm so glad the first part of your project got approved. I'm sure it's exciting to get that rolling and feel like you're on the right track. No, it's not boring. I'm glad you have work that you're passionate about. You're lucky. Not everyone can have that. Yep, sometimes work is just work. And sometimes you want to keep your passions and hobbies just that. For some people, it would spoil it if they had to work at the thing they love. Yeah, at the moment, work is just work for me. But I am blessed with a really great group of coworkers who make amazing potlucks. So for now, I will take that and use my free time for the things I really enjoy, like spending time with you. Oh, that was worth it to see that blush again. Ace, no, sweetie. Don't try to eat the grasshopper. Gross. Ah, that's a bee. Ack, moving away. Yes, I'm apophobic. Is it gone? Oh, good. I'm sorry. I just grabbed onto you, didn't I? That's embarrassing. No, I'm okay. No, it's not an allergy. Just a silly phobia. We should probably let go? Even though I really don't want to. It feels so good being in his arms. Yeah, let's keep going. It's a perfect day for this. Weather is beautiful. And now you're just trying to make me blush, and I think it's working. Oh, Ace, now you've gone and tangled yourself around the tree. Silly puppy. He's having fun, though. Yes, I am too. Yeah, it shouldn't be too much further till we get to the halfway point. Let's keep going. He's having so much fun, all these new smells and things to investigate. Think he's gonna get tired on the way back? Yeah, I think so too. It's nice that this bench is here. We can admire the view and watch Ace tire himself out. Oh, this is so romantic, even with the puppy antics. Or maybe because of them? I don't know. But it's quiet, it's beautiful, and I really want to kiss him. Should I? I mean, we've kissed a little before. Short, sweet, chaste kisses. But as we're getting closer, I kind of want more. Should I go for it? Oh man, my palms are sweating. Is that a good sign? I'm overthinking this. What's that? Yeah, you can take my hand. I'll warn you, though, my palms are sweating. Gross, right? Oh. Oh my god. He kissed my hand. And now he's slowly turning it and kissed the inside of my wrist. Jesus, why is that so romantic? Oh, he's pulling me closer. Yes, this is it. You know, I was just thinking the same thing about how much I wanted to kiss you. So I'm very glad you did that, and you were far more suave about it than I would have been. Do I want to? Oh, hell yes, please do that again. Wow. You are an excellent kisser. Oh, Ace, honey. Look, he just flopped right on top of my feet. He definitely tired himself out. I guess we should start heading back? Come on, Ace, let's go home. Want to go for a ride? Oof, even that didn't get a reaction. He is just tuckered out. Guess I'm gonna have to... Oh, wait, you don't need to... You're gonna carry my puppy? That's so sweet. Are you sure it's no trouble? He's a little dirty from all the romping around. Okay then, thank you. Oh my gosh, he's asleep in your arms. What? Am I jealous? Oh my god, maybe? I don't know, I plead the fifth. You're just trying to make me blush as much as possible, I swear. I shouldn't be jealous of a puppy, but they kind of do have the best life, don't they? Yep, I agree completely. Besides, it'd be way too much work for you to carry me. He's just a tiny puppy. You could carry me? Well, good thing your arms are full right now. And if my face gets any redder, I might explode. Thank you for everything. This has been wonderful. Yeah, I'd definitely like to have dinner this week. That sounds great. Come here. I don't really mind what we do, so long as I get to spend more time with you. You feel the same? Good. I'm glad to hear it. Really, really glad.